What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ricky. Just wanted to hit y'all with this quick video. Right now it's 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm in Houston, Texas. About to get ready to go jump in this truck and get to the money. Man, I'm super stoked. September the 14th, our book launch date. 6 authors from all across the nation of the United States coming together to all launch our books together. Man, this is what success looks like. I mean, it's a grind. You gotta be willing to grind, and you gotta fall in love with the process. And I've come to the realization, and I've come to that point in my life where I love the process. I've been up since 2. I couldn't sleep. I got an email from Lulu last night. My first order round of books is gonna be arriving within the next couple of business days, so I'm super stoked about that. Can't wait to receive that. I'll do a video, or I might go live and post when those books come. Man, I can't wait to see what the crowd is gonna be like on September the 14th, this upcoming Saturday, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Man, everybody just come out and support, come out and network, come out and meet people and be in an environment of like-minded people that's trying to do positive things and go to the next level in life. That's how you grow. Iron sharpens iron. Y'all be blessed. It's your boy Ricky. I'm about to go get to the money. I don't know what y'all doing. It's 2:30. I'm about to go get to it. Let's go.